welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I've never done this type of video before, but I'm really excited about it. Back in November around Black Friday, Causebox was offering a discount code for a yearly subscription. I have the box here. I have had a Causebox before. I was gifted one for one of my birthdays a couple of years ago, and I like how everything inside is very sustainable and conscious. Supporting brands and initiatives like this is going to be very important for our planet moving forward, and so I wanted to also participate in all that good. So if you want to continue to see this kind of video in the future, I do have 3 more boxes coming throughout the year. Let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you would like to stick around a while, feel free to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. All right, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Okay, the inside's pretty too. That's so pretty. And then we have a little postcard. I believe there's a postcard that comes with every box, which is really unique, and it's from the same artist as well, which is really sweet. The next thing that I'm seeing is a little booklet that tells us where everything is from and why they chose those particular items. Oh, and on the very last page, it looks like we have a whole bunch of coupon codes as well. Let's put that kind back in humankind. So cute! So I do know what I received in this box because I got the annual membership, and from what I understand, the annual members can pick out their items. In the process, they give you a couple choices to make, and you have to choose between one or the other, and then you continue on until all of your items have been picked. You don't have a free-for-all for just every single thing that they offer. You kind of have to still choose a little bit, but I believe with the seasonal boxes, so if you only do like 1 box a season or 1 box at a time, you don't get to choose. It's kind of randomized. So the first item that I chose was this Peony foot mask by Soon. It is a Korean skincare company. It intrigued me. I think it was between this or some slippers, but it's made with peony root extract, green tea extract, and apple extract. So this box of foot masks is a $45 value. It's vegan and cruelty-free, and it's supposed to help make your feet really, really soft. My feet get awful in the winter, so I'm sure that's kind of what they were going for with this particular item. So I'm looking forward to trying that out for a little bit more of a pamper night. And the next thing, I believe everybody got this in their box. It's the Skin & Company Roma Truffle Therapy Toner. This toner is a $30 value. It has witch hazel, truffle oil, rosemary, and it's vegan and cruelty-free as well, which is great. My skin can be a little bit touchy. It is sensitive and acne prone, so I'll try it, see how it goes, and if I can't use it, I'm sure my roommate can. Next. What do we got? This is one of the ones that I got really excited about. So they're coasters. They're made of white marble. I can't open the box. It is packaged well. Almost there. Big reveal. This is really pretty. They're kind of sparkly, and it's got some cork on the bottoms to protect your table, but it's a whole set of these coasters, and I thought they were just so elegant. So these coasters are by a brand called Zeal Living. It's a $42 value. Okay, that's a lot. They're really pretty and they're handmade, and I love them. Moving on. I was super excited for this. So this is by a brand called Activated Eco. They're reusable silicone baking mats. If you guys have never used silicone mats, they are so helpful. You don't have to use any sort of wax paper. You don't have to use any sort of oil on top of it. You just place it on the sheet and go. This is an $18 value, which really isn't that bad if you wanted to purchase these yourself. It's 100% food grade, BPA-free silicone, which is important. And this particular box comes in 2 different colors. This nice, pretty minty green, which is what I'm most excited about, and this really pretty sage green. There's a few more things in here. This is a silk pillowcase. It's made from bamboo, so it's not real silk, and it feels very cooling. And if you know about silk pillowcases, they're supposed to be really healthy for your hair and your skin. It does feel very nice. It feels exactly like silk. Let me read this little card here. Water and energy saving, minimal packaging, hypoallergenic and chemical free. The Ettitude Travel Beauty Pillowcase. It's a $25 value. Ettitude's clean bamboo is made in a closed loop system that reuses 98% of its water in future production cycles. That's really good because usually with textiles specifically, there's a lot of water waste that happens. I'm not an expert in sustainability at all, but I do tend to watch a lot of videos. My favorite sustainable YouTuber is Shelfizzle. I'll link her channel down below, but she does drop a lot of knowledge in every video. A lot of times it blows my mind. Check her out if you can. But moving on to the next and last product, and I got super excited for this as well, and I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I'm just gonna open it. It's a brush gold kettle. I'm just gonna put this here so you guys can stare at it a little bit. All right, so this pretty kettle, it's by a brand called Rose & Fitzgerald. As I said, it's called the Brush Gold Kettle. It's a $98 value. Okay, so that puts us at like $300, I would say, for the total value of the box. 300 artisans were employed in manufacturing this kettle. That's a lot of artisans. These are the types of items that make me feel like such an adult because I get excited about kitchen stuff. Like, yes, silicone baking mats and tea kettles. So that was the box overall. If you guys want more information on Causebox, I'll leave that in the description down below. But let me know how you like this type of unboxing video. I don't think I'm gonna be doing a lot of subscription services at all, but one of the reasons why I thought this company would be great to have a subscription to is because, once again, all the items are very carefully picked to a certain standard, which I really appreciate. And with my annual subscription, I have a little bit of give and take as to what items I choose, so I can make sure I actually use them. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you like me, once again, please subscribe. That would be great to have you guys stick around. And tell me what item you thought was the coolest in this particular box, because I really want to know your thoughts. Which ones would you be more excited to use? Thank you again for choosing to spend your time with me, and I will see you all soon. Bye, guys.